And welcome back. It is time for another tasty recipe from our weekly Common Ground volunteer.
Molly Aden joins us again with a seafood appetizer, which could work well for those upcoming holiday gatherings.
Well, you may be thinking of a great side dish or a dip to take to your next holiday party. And joining me now with more is an idea. Molly Aden has an idea for us. She's with Common Ground. Molly, what do you have for us?
So it's pretty simple. You start off with a block of cream cheese. So I have it softened and I'm just spreading it over my platter. And you want to make sure it's good and softened, otherwise it's going to be a little bit tricky to spread. So after you get that whole block of cream cheese spread out, you're going to want to take a bottle of cocktail sauce. And I typically don't put the whole bottle down. I think it calls for 8 ounces. I might use like half a bottle when I do it. And you're just going to want to spread it generously over your cream cheese. Half a pound of imitation crab that I'm just going to spread over the top. And I chop these up into little pieces. And then I have 2 cans of tiny shrimp. And these can be called salad shrimp, I believe too. So you want to just sprinkle those on. Make sure that you've drained them. And then I will top it with Parmesan cheese. You can use grated or shredded. And then last, all you need is your seasonings. So you'll use some pepper, some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, some dill, and some thyme. And then you'll just refrigerate it and serve it up with some wheat thins. You can use whatever crackers you like, but they need to be kind of stiff to dig that cream cheese out. But that's it. It's ready to go, and it's just kind of a fun, different appetizer if you have people in your family or friends that like seafood.
Great idea for the holidays. Thank you for being here today.
Thanks, John. I hope you have a great Christmas.
Oh, that looks so good. And that recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page right now if you want to copy it down.
I love seafood, so
I know you do. We'll have to give that a try.
that'd be perfect.